सुप्रीम कोर्ट में सियासतदानों की ताहयात नाअहली केस की समाअत बराह रास्त जारी है कि अब 62(1)F ट्रिब्यूनल को भी ताहयात नाअहली का इख्तियार है। चीफ जस्टिस के रिमार्क्स या सिर्फ ताहयात नाअहली का ये इख्तियार सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास है।
Now my submission is, if we are in 187, then I can object on the vires of Election Act 2023. If we are only in appeal, then we cannot argue on the vires of the Election Act.
तो वैसे चैलेंज नहीं करते उसे. You have not challenged varies of 232.
That's not the question.
It's not the question.
Varies of 232 is not.
Nobody has challenged the varies in the High Court or in this court.
My lord, it has been challenged in the High Court. I've given you the
There has
petition.
not been decided yet. तुम्हारे सामने नहीं है.
My submission is, if we, because my lords have combined all these appeals along with section 194(3) petition. So my understanding, the way
Your understanding should be found. The answer is in the order, the first order that we passed. Since election are scheduled for 8th of February, one returning officer will do one thing, another officer will do one thing. There should be clarity. It's as simple as that. Now, if you want utter total confusion in Pakistan, that every constituency, one returning officer is saying, I will follow 232, another returning officer will say, I will follow Samiullah Baloch. So we have stated very clearly, we want clarity. One way or the other, the returning officer is not a competent lawyer as yourself, it's maybe a bureaucrat. So give him clarity. That's all we're doing.
That's what I'm submitting before my lordship. While you are hearing this, you have also issued notices under section 27 or order 27A to all the Advocate General and Attorney General.
The world, to the whole of Pakistan, we should notice.
You might as well decide upon the vires of this thing.
नहीं वो भी कर लेंगे. आप बता दें अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है.
That is my submission.
अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल.
मैं कहता हूँ इस अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल. I rely on मोहम्मद जजमेंट.
एक बात बताएं देखिए, आप कह रहे हैं कि ये क्लियर पार्लियामेंट ने खामोशी इख्तियार की 62(1)F में कुछ बताया नहीं, उसको हमने इंटरप्रेट किया. अब हमारे बाद पार्लियामेंट ने इंटरप्रेट कर दिया. क्या पार्लियामेंट का विजडम हमसे ज्यादा है या कम है एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजन को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए, इंटरप्रेट करने के लिए? किसके इख्तियारात ज्यादा, ये बताएं.
Parliament has to frame, my lord has to interpret.
They have framed the law. They have framed the law.
They had to
interpret the constitutional provision. उन्होंने कह दिया कि ये हमारा wisdom था.
They had to frame it under 239, 238, 39. They had to bring in constitutional amendment.
आप लिखा दे बास काकड़ की citation लिखा है 2012.
PLD 2012 Supreme Court 923.
And what paragraph are you relying for the
Para 50.
for declaring the law ultra vires?
Declaring the law ultra vires. So
लेजिस्लेटिव एंट्रीज के ऊपर वो केस है, उसके अंदर तो उन्होंने होल्ड किया है कि लेजिस्लेटिव एंट्रीज जो.
Thank you. Anything else?